Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a Flutter project in Android Studio. Open Android Studio, and by default it allows to create a Java or Kotlin Android project. Go over to Plugins, select Marketplace, and search for Flutter. Click on Install. Android Studio prompts to restart the IDE for the Flutter plugin installation to take place. Now you have the Flutter plugin ready to be used to create a new Flutter project in Android Studio. Click on New Flutter Project. On the left-hand side, click Flutter and select the path for the Flutter SDK. Click on Next, give it a project name with underscore and lowercase, and for the Android language, you can choose Java or Kotlin, and for the iOS language, you can choose from Objective-C or Swift. Then choose the platforms in which you want to support the Flutter project. Click on Create. That is how you can create a Flutter project in Android Studio.